What are some of the skills that you can learn when you're starting as a VA? Hi there, this is Connie Zbala, your VA trainer, and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So I just want to answer this question, what are some skills that I can learn when I'm starting as a VA? These two words are very important because this is actually a general skill and there are specific skills under that. But when you're starting as a VA, I advise you to learn digital marketing skills. While digital marketing is a very wide skill, under the digital marketing are social media, which is popularly known as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and there is also a LinkedIn marketing and YouTube marketing. And there is also an email marketing where you'll be an expert in writing emails to convert that emails and make a sale. So there are many ways to learn as a VA, but digital marketing overall is a good start for you because there are many skills under that skill. There are many free courses online. Just do your due diligence when searching for the right course, okay? So that's it for now. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about virtual assistants, I invite you to join my VA Masterclass. That's for free. Just go to vamasterclass.conniezabala.com. Again, that's vamasterclass.conniezabala.com, and I'll send you the free access via email, okay? Please do share this video or hit thumbs up or make a comment. Bye!